Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Alex, and in today's video I want to show you how we've made over 1,000% return trading NFTs here on Immutable X. So before we begin, what is Immutable X, guys? It is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum that basically allows you to mint NFTs with zero gas fees. So it is a major solution that is just now coming up on the scene. TikTok is actually going to be launching their NFTs on this platform, and so this is the beginning. And so if you're watching this video, I hope you understand that there's a lot of opportunity here for you to make a lot of money, because like I said, this is the beginning, and that's where the explosive gains are made, is when you tap into untapped into markets. Just like a guy who bought Bitcoin in 2014, why does he see such explosive gains? Is because he bought Bitcoin when the market was untapped into. And so today I'm showing you an opportunity just like that, where you can make tens of thousands of dollars if you listen to what I have to show you in this video. So first, I'm going to show you how we've turned $1,700 into over $17,000 here. So check out my inventory, my wallet here. You can see I've got 5 of these Moody Crows right here, as you can see. Okay, and you can see in my other wallet right here, I've got another 5 right here. So in total, I've got 10 of these Moody Crows. And if you look at the price that these are going for right now, these are going for a minimum floor price of 0.49. Okay, so let's just round that up to 0.5. Okay, 0.5 Ethereum for one of them. I've got 10 of them, right? I've got 5 here on this wallet, and I've got 5 over here on this wallet. Okay, do the math. That's 5 Ethereum, and in total, I only invested 0.5 Ethereum to get into this trade. So let me show you how this all works out here. Let's actually, this is, I was planning on making this video yesterday. So basically, okay, in total, we invested about 0.5 Ethereum into this trade right here. Okay, and so let me show you where you get this price. If you go over to their mint website right here, you can see they were selling, or they're minting for 0.05 for one of these eggs, or one of these birds. Okay, I've got 10 of them, and so do the math. I minted 10 of them for 0.05. That equals 0.5 Ethereum. That's $1,700 invested in this trade. And now we've come out with 5 Ethereum. That's $17,000 now. Okay, so essentially what we've done on Immutable X here in the last 24 hours is 1,000% return by flipping these bird pictures. Okay. And so my point is right now is that this is an untapped into market, which is in its beginning stages. A lot of money is about to flow into this platform because it is a major solution on Ethereum, which gives people zero gas minting. Okay, and so the platform works really nicely. The platform was really good, and the reason this was such a good and logical bet yesterday is because this was the first profile picture collection of 10,000 ever on Immutable X. And so obviously, if it's a collectible, well, being the first at anything has major collectible value. And so that's why we took the bet on this and invested $1,700 in this trade. Now, obviously, I wish I could have invested, $10,000 into this trade yesterday, but it's simply not possible because these things, they sell out very quickly. As a matter of fact, this drop right here sold out in less than 1 minute yesterday. Okay, so I was able to get 10 of them, and think about it, in the world there's only 10,000 of them. So, clearly I have 10 of the 10,000, and think about it, yesterday there was probably 50,000 people who wanted these, but once again, there's only 10,000 of them. So supply and demand, if you have 50,000 people who want a supply of only 10,000, and then there's people like me who have 10 of them, obviously that makes it scarce, and that makes the price go up. So whether you think it's stupid to buy pictures or not, if there's a demand and a limited supply, the price will increase. And so that's what we've seen here, and that's how we've been able to make over 1,000% return with just $1,700 invested in this trade, half an Ethereum yesterday, guys. Okay, and so the reason I'm bringing this up is because, guys, this platform right here, Immutable X, this yesterday is what I would consider day one for the platform, because like I've shown you, this is the first profile picture collection ever to release on this platform. or at least with 10,000 of them in it, right? Your typical profile picture collection. So this is just the beginning of this platform. And so like I told you before, TikTok is going to be launching NFTs on this platform. Okay, and so there's going to be, for example, on Twitter, they have 70,000 followers, but that number is going to grow. More users are going to come here. For example, I'm recommending this platform and I'm bringing it to your attention in this video. 90% of you watching right now probably had no idea what this was yesterday, but now you do. And so as more people get to learn what this platform is, they figure out that this solution exists, they figure out that they can mint NFTs with zero gas. Obviously, it's common sense that people are going to flood into this site and this platform and this, I guess, secondary blockchain for minting NFTs on Ethereum. So think about it. We're not talking about NFTs. We're not talking about the specific collections or anything. Simply talking, I guess this would be from a macro perspective, money is going to pour into this site and this platform. People and popularity is going to grow and people are going to flood into the site. So think about it. If money is about to flow into the site, people are about to flow into the site, then it makes sense that projects are going to be doing extremely well here in the next 2 to 3 months. And so the longevity and success of this platform is obviously very important because this platform could do well for years to come. But at the very least, considering that yesterday minting these was basically, in my opinion, day one of this platform. Obviously, it's been around a little longer than that. But this was like the real milestone in the beginning of this platform, in my opinion. Well, think about it. You still got at least 2 to 3 months of money pouring in, people pouring into this site and into the second layer solution for Ethereum. So what I'm trying to get at here is that you've seen in this video with the 10 crows that we own here. You see we got 5 here and 5 on this wallet here. Okay, that's 5 Ethereum. Okay, which is once again $17,000. And all it took, guys, was $1,700. Okay, so the reason I bring this to your attention is because I think that a lot of you guys watching this video can make a lot of money if you focus on some of the projects that are going to be coming to this platform. Because like I said, this is a factual equation. Okay, if this is a working solution on Ethereum, and I guess it's almost a fact that this platform is going to grow the next 2 to 3 months. It's almost a fact that people are about to flood into this site, into this platform, into this solution. And so that means it's a fact that money is about to be pouring into this layer 2 solution. So there is going to be a lot of money to be made here, okay? And so one comparison could be that OpenSea was like Yahoo. This could be Google. Am I saying that's actually the case? No. But that's one way to look at this as, hey, this could be a huge thing. This could have huge amounts of money pouring into it here in the next months to come. And so if you're on the forefront of this, before the money pours in here, guys, you are going to make a shit ton of money. And so, like I said, the most important thing about this video, guys, anyone can make $17,000. It's not hard to make $17,000 if you have $1 million and you invest it, right? It's not hard to make $17,000 if you have $5 million and you invest it. That's like a 1% or 0.5% return to make $17,000, right? What's impressive here is how you can turn 0.5 Ethereum into 5 Ethereum. That's 1,000% return. And so a lot of people might say, well, hey, you could have lost that money just as easily as you made it. Well, first off, that's the truth about anything you do in this world, whether you invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or as many people say, stupid and dumb pictures like this. Okay, but second, actually, logically speaking, when I took this bet yesterday, I understood that, hey, there's a lot of hype behind this. Hey, there's a lot of people that are going to be going into this. Hey, this is the first profile picture collection ever on what I believe is an emerging and big player in this NFT space, and money's going to be pouring into it. People are going to be pouring into this. So to me, I knew that, okay, if 50,000 people are trying to get one of these, and there's only 10,000 of them, okay, then they're limited. And so what are the chances that the price is going to go below what I'm buying and minting them for here? Basically a 0% chance. So actually, when I took this bet yesterday, in my eyes, or at least based on my judgment and analysis, I had a 0% chance of losing money on this trade, and I had an incredible chance of making a lot of money on this trade. Okay, and so the gain is asymmetrical in relation to the downside because, like I said, the downside potential, in my opinion, here was zero. I would lose zero money because there's no way you're going to have 50,000 people who want something. There's only 10,000 of them. There's no way that the price is going to go down below the initial cost. Okay, so the price I knew could only go up based on my analysis. Now, obviously, my analysis could have been wrong. So, but I knew that my downside, my loss potential was highly limited, but my upside potential was basically uncapped. Okay, and so currently we're sitting on these right now, and they're going for, like you can see, 0.48, basically 0.5, now 0.47, right? Price fluctuates. And so the reason I'm not selling these right now is because I believe that we should see price move higher, but that takes a little patience, okay? So, for example, if these eggs or if these birds end up going to a 1 Ethereum floor, guys, then we've got 10 of them. Okay, so we're going to be able to make, if you got 10 of these pictures, you sell them for 1 Ethereum, that's 10 Ethereum, guys. That's going to be, okay, half an Ethereum, which is $1,700, turned into 10 Ethereum, $34,000. Okay, and so there is not many places and there's not many ways where you can turn such a small amount of capital into something so large in relation to what you started with. Like I said, anyone can make $34,000 if you have the capital. Okay, but not anyone can turn half an Ethereum into 10 Ethereum within a short period of time. And the way you can do that is if you jump on the forefront of this platform before the money starts piling in, before people start to come here. And if you can do that, you are going to make a shitload of money. And you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money. So the reason I make this video today is because I think that my tip here to jump on and jump into Immutable and start getting into things that are going to be here the next couple months. I think that this video is going to help people make thousands and thousands, tens of thousands, if not even maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars here in the next few months. And the most important part, like I said, anyone can make $100,000. Anyone can make $50,000. Anyone can make $20,000 if you have the capital. But the key point here is you don't need a lot of capital when you're tapping into a market that is untapped into, but is going to be tapped into. Just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum, just like any market that was untapped into. If you tap into a market before it gets tapped into, that's where the explosive gains are made, and this is where I think the explosive gains are going to be made here in the next couple of months. So guys, I've been wanting to make videos on NFTs for at least 3 months now, or at least two to 3 months now I've wanted to, and the only reason I haven't is because we're usually doing Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions, chart analysis. But guys, if this is something you want to see here in the future, make sure you drop a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe, and you let me know down in the comments section below. And I'll let you know which projects we'll be looking to get into here in the future, and projects that I think can make you tens of thousands of dollars with very minimal capital needed to jump in. Okay, so I guess a video wouldn't be a video without a prediction from me. So I'll give you my prediction in this video. I do believe we should see this get to a 1 Ethereum floor at least. And so this is a high risk bet because once again, if you think about it, remember I paid 0.05 for one of them. Remember, so 0.05, and I bought 10 of them, which made my total investment 0.5, half an Ethereum, right? So I was paying 0.05 for one of them. If you decide to go and buy one of these right now, you're paying 10 times more than what I paid for them. Okay, but at the end of the day, I still think there's a very good chance this goes to a 1 Ethereum floor, which means you can double your money if you buy now. Okay, like I said, that's a big risk you're taking buying it now compared to when I bought it for 0.05. Okay, so my point is, if you decide to do this, it's a high-risk trade, but it's still a solid reward of at least a 2x in my opinion. But I could be wrong on this opinion. I could be wrong in this prediction. But the reason I'm holding mine, for example, and not selling my crows is because I believe that the price is going to go higher here. You see what I mean? So there's no exact science to this. It's not like we're reading charts, But at the end of the day, this is where if you have logic and some common sense, you can really shine. And guys, it's an equation. Okay, you have an emerging solution on the biggest blockchain in the world, the most used blockchain in the world, which is Ethereum. This is something that's hugely needed. People are going to flood in. Money is going to flood in. And if you're on the forefront, like I've said, you're going to make a shit ton of money. So guys, that's my video for you today. That's how we made over 1,000% return on these Moody Crows. I know a lot of people may think that's stupid, but you know what's not stupid is making 1,000% return. So guys, give me some feedback down below. Did you like this video? Do you like, or do you want to see more videos on NFTs? Like I said, it's something I've wanted to do for months now, but I just shied away from doing it today. I finally decided that we're going to do it because I think that this new marketplace here is going to help people make a lot of money if you jump on board here from the ground floor. So guys, drop a like if you haven't already on this video. Make sure you subscribe. That's how I made 1,000% return. I think it's going to be a 2,000% return if my thesis is correct and if we get to a 1 Ethereum floor. If we get to a 1 Ethereum floor and let's say I sold all 10 of them, that would be a 10 Ethereum trade there, and that would be over a $30,000 profit. So guys, that's your video for me today. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and I hope this helps you make some money.